Okay, love bugs, happy Monday to me and happy whatever day it is for you, whenever or wherever you're watching this video. For me, it's Monday and I'm headed to the dance studio. I'm a dance mom, so I'm there every freaking day. But of course, I like to spend a little time getting myself together, a little me time, if you will. Today I've teamed up with Amanda Hair and they sent me over this beautiful pre-everything 13x4 wavy wig. This one here has a beautiful long texture. I mean, literally, look how long this is. Super long and fleeky, right? So this is the perfect wig to add your beautiful like flat iron curls or your wand. So this one here is a beautiful wig to add your perfect flawless wand curls to. I love it. She has a pre-everything cap construction and she also is complete with that drawstring. Look at how flawless the hairline is. I went with wispy baby hair today and it just came out super fun and fleeky. And the beautiful thing is, because I use hairspray instead of edge control, you can play and move them around all you want and they just get better with time. So I'm gonna jump into this install. It's gonna be very simple, quick, easy, straight out of the box install. And it will also do an additional hairstyle just to, you know, show you how to style this one up really nicely. So if you want to see how I got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, it's time to get fly and cute. Today I've teamed up with Amanda Hair and they sent me over this goodness gracious right here. Before we get into it, let's do a quick unboxing. So this is the bag that the wig comes in. It is a dust bag and it says Amanda Hair with their little logo on it. Super cute. Inside we got a bunch of goodies. I'm always in need of wide tooth combs, aka like shower combs. This one is super cute. It reminds me of the ones my mom had growing up. Very vintage vibes. They gave us a sheet of Bye Bye Knots wig tape. Many people call this different stuff. Basically it's lace tape, double-sided. You peel, stick, and then still peel, stick on the opposite side for your lace and your skin. We got a pack of lashes. I love when I get lashes because I like to just keep them everywhere, like keep a pair or two in my car. We also got the Amanda wig band, which we're going to be using today, and we got this little envelope which has all of their social handles on it, and then you just get your HD wig caps inside, which is super nice, and then you get all this information in the inside. So good to go. And this right here is the beauty. So it looks like we're going pre-everything on the cap construction. Pre-plucked lace. Oh, look how soft and nice that lace looks. This is some good lace, may I say. This is a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and the pre-plucked hairline. You guys can see here how beautiful and flawless that is. And it's just going to be a very high quality lace cap construction. Here is a look. Here you guys can see we're going super long. I feel like this is going to go like to my butt, maybe even below stretched out. We got some beautiful loose curls in there, and we can touch those up with the wand curl if we want a little bit more definition, or we could keep them very like sexy, effortless bedroom curls. We also have some layers, it looks like, so this is going to fan out really pretty. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. We have a frontal here, it looks like. Yes, this is a frontal, and we do have here, we have two strips of that Bye Bye Knots wig tape already pre-installed, so I'll show you how easy it is to peel and stick. Beneath that you do have two combs, one on each side, like right where the below the lace. Classic cap with the adjustable and removable elastic band, and it has that nice grip on there. At the nape you do have a comb here, and then you also have, it looks like, your adjustable straps as well as a nice drawstring. I went ahead and adjust the straps and the elastic band. Now let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. You want to make sure it's nice and centered. Looks like we get about 6 inches of parting space going back, and then the traditional 13 inches of lace going side by side. You definitely can switch it over to a side part should you wish, and that would look beautiful too. Super deep side part always is a win. The hair is nice and full, and as I mentioned, she's very long. This is definitely going to be an easy like wand curl, sexy loose look. Give her a nice comb out. Wow, this one is absolutely beautiful. Super long. Here's a closer look at the length. It's full enough. I feel like when you go this long, you don't want it too thick because it's going to get heavy. But look at how long it goes. It literally goes down to my hips. And from the back, it literally goes to the bottom of my butt. This is what she looks like from the back. This here is the drawstring. It's very easy to just one-handed grab it, lift up your wig, find it underneath, grab it, use the drawstring to kind of drive up and get the wig as tight as you desire. Once you find your desired tightness, you lift and tuck it back in. And now your wig is glueless. She fits nice and snug and she lays super flat along the hairline. So you really don't have to do much as far as installing the wig. Although it is a frontal, I like the fact that the hairline is nice and glueless. So let's go ahead and get started on this install. As I mentioned, I do want to cut off a little of the excess lace. This is a great thing to keep, especially like if you're going to do baby hair and stuff. If that's your preference, for me, I would prefer to cut it off. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is how much I took off, not much at all. So this is what it looks like when you cut that lace off. And then this is what it looks like when you keep that lace. So I added a little gel to the hairline. I always forget to bring my products down because they're all with the girl stuff because I'm a mom of 2 daughters. And so really you would use edge control right here to sleek this down, but this is good enough for now. Now we can go ahead and melt the lace. And if you're gonna add baby hair, this is a great step to do so. Before it sets, always, if you have an off-centered face like me, go ahead and use your comb to match it up and make sure that it is centered. I love this baby hair. Okay, hairline is super snatched. The only thing we can do right now is add the dynamic duo, and then we're gonna add the melt belt. I was about to add it right now, but then I realized I did not do my little wax. So I feel like this is some good hair. My wispy baby hairs never come out this fleeky, and that's just me being 100% honest. Look at how the quality of those baby hairs. That has to have good hair, right? And a good lace. We're gonna tint the lace in the parting a shade lighter than the hairline. I'm kind of sort of starting to feel like, because I'm in my winter shade, I might be able to use a little of this in the hairline, because sometimes my hairline is starting to feel too dark, and I think it's all about whether or not I have a tan. I don't use the word tan because I'm brown, but I think that's the best way to describe it. But this looks so good. Let's go ahead and add the melt belt so I have a few minutes to set while we work on the ends. Okay, so the crown of my head is nice and flat and fleeky, plus the lace is tinted. The one main thing we have left to do is just to add a little bit of splat to the ends. I feel like I like the effortless curl look, but we can go ahead and zhuzh it up just a little bit. I kind of want to leave the length, but I want to add the definition to these little bangs in the front and more so at the ends around. Okay, let's brush out the curls. I just did them on the top layer because I like the length at the bottom. I just want the definition up top, and I think I got what I wanted. Let's see. Oh yes, you see that there? That kind of gives a little bit, or a lot rather, of like definition and structure to this hair because it is so long. This one's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so this is the look for now. I'm a dance mom, and of course I have to be out of here in 2.5 seconds. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of serum. I'm gonna do 1 pump of this one here, more so on the ends because I feel like they already have enough definition, and a little bit in the back. Ooh, and this stuff smells so good. And this is how you're gonna be able to see the definition. It already has pop. Look at that. It curls into one big Shirley Temple curl, and this is the curls that came straight out of the box. So literally just adding a little serum, weightless serum, will have you good to go. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. so much Barbie doll hair. I am obsessed. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of the hairstyle just in a different little fun way. Okay, so I went ahead and curled the rest of the hair. I did a light wand curl just to make sure we were all good to go. Keep in mind it is like 10 hours later. Been to dance, cook dinner. You guys know the whole drill. And this is how the hair looks. I love this. Now I love a long wig, but this is like extreme long. This is long like I sat down to use the restroom and I had to like push the hair to the side, which is a nice fun switch up. Obviously, if this is too long for you, you can choose a shorter length. I feel like 22, 24 is my normal bust down crazy length, but this is gonna be super fun again for a switch up. I love it. I actually went to a few stores and of course I got compliments on my makeup and my hair. So this is the look. Now we can go ahead and style it. You guys know I love when you have a good lace and you're able to show it off a little bit. So maybe just pulling it up like this would be super cute. And then the hair, when you pull it up, is super long. Or you can do a side part. Oh. So this is a cute little fun look. I decided to switch it up. You guys know I always do a half up, half down, or I do a little clip. You can still do a clip with this one. I just wanted to show off this beautiful lace. I'm always gonna have a clip nearby to switch it up. Because this is 28 inches in length, a clip is gonna do something different because the hair is so long, which is why I didn't opt for it, but I just want you to see. Okay, love bugs, now that you guys have seen the install and a quick little hairstyle to this one, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I have all the details as well as a direct link to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.